Hello. Sorry, setting up. Hello, setting up the thing. Here's more in the center. Sorry, mumbling again. And just a tiny bit. You don't see my microphone, browser, and then code. Okay. Okay. 2 seconds, I'll be right back. Hello. Hello, and I'm back. I hope this is all good. Right. So, after some consideration, I realized why I'm moving away, and I don't want to repeat the same mistake, is from like JavaScript ecosystem and why Liveview is the better thing. I'm moving away for the fact that, I couldn't compile by just upgrading the no version and all the dependencies are off and breaking and stuff like that. So if I would be doing the Liveview route with the Vue.js thing, I'll be still basically stuck in the same thing. And I found an alternative to Shadsi and Vue, which is SaladUI. And today I am going to port that over in, and hopefully that will avoid most of the things where I need Vue, and I'll try and figure out ways of avoiding this having to write JavaScript at all costs, and where I can, I'll vendor log things in. So with that in mind, let's get started. So okay, let's do mix check server, and yeah, all good. Open it up in my, there we go. Yeah, so this is all view-based UI, and we want to get back to this in non-view-based. So let's start by creating a layout first. And hello to chat, hello chat. Okay, I'll put the chat up a little bit in my visibility range. Okay. Right. So where do we start? We start with the layout. And so we'll start with adding that's here. Value. And where do we have this other thing? Pages. Where is this coming from? Here. Okay. Okay. Let's have a look at the Salad UI. Here we go. The CC is pretty much the same. I've actually showed how to do this without JavaScript. So this is a little bit of my thing, and someone implemented properly then, which is really nice. Where I prefer to usually not have this. Anyway, so if we go to welcome, visit GitHub, and we'll start with SaladUI. So we'll do our mix igniter, install SaladUI. That's fine. Yep, running next steps. Okay. Now we do mix salad in it. And Octafest of components UI, components UI. Select a color scheme to use gray. It would be nice to have like what can I use? I think it's a zinc or something, right? Let's go with zinc. Zinc. Okay, mix salad add. The mix salad add button. Okay. Should have actually had a look at, okay. Where is this now stored? I think I've made a mistake with this. Okay, so yeah, I need this to be in UI components UI here. I wanted it to be here. And this is going to be admin UI. because it's mainly admin UI using component. Def module mod. There we go. Admin UI. Component helper. Component helpers. Okay, let's try now. Component UI. Helpers. Okay. It's loading, it's fine. Okay, variant. Div. Let's have a look at what we have. Okay, so let's avoid assigns in our thing. We can just do here. Rest variant. Text variant size. Default variants size. Tab join. Variance key value. So we could do variant and size, right? I don't like full type assigns, so I would like to be at variant and add size. Add and size. Take map to merge variant size. So now we could just do default variants, type, map merge, enum map join. And then you can simplify this code. One liner. Here we go. Nicer. That's nicer. Okay. Now we can use button. And okay. Button. Suppose I need to create where I use these things. Can someone ever tell me why is it not okay to have a component per file? Is it not that performant, or is it gonna be worse? Hope it's. I mean, it's not a problem to then just put them inside one file, but like there should be a defined way. I like this component per file because it just makes it cleaner for me. Anyways, okay, so now what we do is we want to in Octafest define in the admin Liveview, we want to use, I think it's use, right? HTML helpers. So you say use Liveview components view as first, okay? Use Liveview. back text, and I want to do like admin HTML helpers, just so I'm more flexible later down the line. And it's Liveview HTML, next component, admin Liveview HTML helpers, and let's do, I think it's SaladUI when you do something, right? Adds component, button component, install component. It's like, it should show you how to do this, but I think I have this locally set up. So if I go to code and SaladUI, Salad UI space. You won't see this, but I'll just have a look at how it's being used in the storybook. Show me. Very beautiful. My daughter just made a painting. Bangin is a whale? Nice. Very nice. Okay, I'm just quickly checking something out. It's lib storybook components layouts demo controllers page live one. Okay, so we just import all the things. Scale, acme, dashboard, dashboard. Okay, so let's just have a look at the SaladUI demo. I think it's example, it's demo. Yeah. Where we have this. It's basically what I want to do, right? This is what I basically copied from Chatsia. So I want this sidebar to be here. And I'll most likely, if I do full page, I think it goes even here, you see? It goes like this. Like one thing I noticed is like accordion, like the sheet. It's the second time, but the first animation is always off. And I'm not sure what's happening there. Sorry, let's just check. Okay, everything's back to normal. Okay. I'll just copy this and I'll take out what I need and what I don't need. Dashboard free. Acme dashboard link. Wonder where are these demos? Samples, demos. I suppose it's dashboard 2 live side. I mean, so like Lucid icons. I'll do it for now, maybe as well. Okay, yeah, I'll do it for now. I'll install Lucid icons. Elixir, Lucid icons. New Lucid icons. Activity, icon activity, class, stroke width. Creating your own component. I suppose I'd do this. Yeah. Okay. Let's do mix install igniter install feed Liveview. Yes. And if I do this correct, what's this? Is not this? Suppose it's not you. Ah, it is use. Component helpers. Ah, okay, sorry. It's Octafest component helpers. Do I have Tails installed in my mix? Tails? It should be failing, right? I'll have a look. Okay, anyways. So that should be failing as well. Server. All good. All good. Okay. Now I'll just copy the whole thing, dashboard 1 live. And I'll quickly do a demo view. Demo view. Demo. Layouts demo. Okay, that's just inner. Book. Group. Okay. That's fine. So we do this dashboard thing, and okay, I can turn it off for now. And let's paste it here somewhere. Components, pages, admin, dashboard. Let's do paste this. Oh, here. And we'll do salad. Dashboard salad. Let's make it this. And this one is dashboard. Dashboard salad. And then it's using this partial utils. Okay, SaladUI. I want this to be just admin UI. I don't want it to be like page, admin, something. Right? Because like Elixir doesn't care if it's here or where it is. So I could just do admin UI. I think that's better. UI. Why make it more difficult? That's nicer. And then it's... Oh. Admin UI. So we have badge, drops, icon. I need also icon, right? Total data. We'll need to create this and delete what we don't need, obviously. So breadcrumb badge we don't need for now. Let's do. This is basically working out the layout. Need products. So products is, I think, once we find the products, we can do this. Products. Okay, I think it's tab contents value all. I'll need some, oh, so it's just main from here. Basically tabs, let builder. We'll copy this out. We'll create a this products example. Really be just z for a, and it's products example. That full v, and here we only do tabs, right? Main. Okay, so just do it from here. Do everything up. And then tabs, close that off. And then just, that's how you want it. But I don't care too much now. And it's gonna be just products. Example. Obviously, this one needs to not be an ex file because it's going to be causing too much noise while we're testing things. Okay, so now we can delete all of this and just say this is our page. And now we just want to make this work. All of this work. Obviously, we'll be extracting components along the way. And yeah. Okay, dashboard. So it's this one, tooltip contact, and I need to add tooltip for sure. So it's mix salad add tooltip. I just wonder because that's going to be using some sort of a UI. I wonder where is it set up now. Do this because I basically just need to do this tooltip and then change this to admin UI. And then let's use admin UI component. Tooltip. Okay, we have tooltips. And let's add this. So now we have less errors. Lucid icons, I suppose that's just working. Sheet, we need to add the sheet. Mix salad. This, I wonder. Okay, let's have a look. Package JSON, dev, config ex, config tail function, John. Okay. This is okay. Dev ext path. Oh, so it's not this. Okay, so this one is going to be components path is going to be file current working directory. And then it's not UI, but it's going to be here. Copy relative active file. So at least it's that. And it's config, right? AG config. And what is it? Just dev? Components path going to be lib Octafest admin UI. Like this. I mean, we can try. Sheet. Let's have a look. Sheet is added here. Okay. I wonder with this config, is there somewhere designed this? Nope, not defined. And that's just admin UI. Oh, shit, yeah. Admin UI here, but here we do sheet. Would be nice. Okay, so I know here again, variance class, assign side, like always, all of these can cause, correct me if I'm wrong, usually causes unnecessary re-rendering of things because it just can't figure out if the thing is a thing. So side, so we just get variant class div p, we can just do variant class, sheet header, sheet title, text foreground, text muted, sheet description, sheet footer, sheet close, to target, sheet height. Show sheet, sheet overlay. Like this one I would definitely work with a little bit more to have a look. Okay, so we need the variant class here. Can you hear me okay? I hope you can hear me okay. And yeah, so div p variant class. What do we do with the variant class? Render, sheet trigger, overlay, variant class. Here we go. So we need side variant class, side, do, and we just do add side. And then variant class, we just do it here. Add side. Okay, then we can remove all of this. Make it a little bit more. Obviously, like still things like this, you'd be using actual icons here. And we'll need an icon class as well, because we want to do it like this. Div activity, let's see the activity. You see the icons. You see the live view, you see the icons. See the icons. So what's the difference? Did you see the icons? Let's see the icons. Oh, I think I got the wrong thing. Let's see icons. Def, start def, just do icons and atomic steps. Get peaks. Installation. What's the difference? Yeah, I fail. Yeah, I fail. It was just an explosion. I suppose it's fine. I can just do this. This looks nicer to me. Icon. Yeah. And if we do tooltip, yeah, something like tooltip. Let's do icon. Admin UI. Icon. We'll do it so it's a bit less. Okay. Oh, right. Copy. I'll do icon. I don't like the name. Name, let's say Lucide. Because I just want to make sure that something is circle. Circle. And you can do like class. Stuff. Size 4. And then you can use like data active. True. Like this. So it's icon. Class. Require default icon. Lucid render. Okay. And we'll do, the name is going to be a different thing because we'll need to add B icon. Icon name equals Lucid and then name. New name. We basically interpret this as icon name at icon. We take away this and we just basically get this. Yeah. Which allows us to do some cool things. Icon, okay, admin icon. Let's do tooltip, sheet. Sheet is one of those that I think I'll touch in the later down the line thing. We'll see, maybe. Component. Okay, at least that's working now. Let's do delete the UI. And when we go to dashboard salad, we go to sheet, and we do also an UI icon. And let's have a look at what's this. So Lucid icon. So now what we'll do is we convert all of these Lucid icons into dot icon equal name. So it's icon equals string, replace with Lucid, and then delete the dot. Oh, this will fuck up royally. No, that should be fine. And do this, and then hopefully this will work. Line chart, panel left, panel right, see home. Breadcrumbs. This is the header part of the thing, and I think I want to do it like this. Anyway, so like I think I'll need to do the menu and the drop down. Breadcrumb. So let's add this. And I'll add breadcrumb. And let's do admin UI, remove, and let's have a look. What do we do here? Rest thing is wrong. And when we do classes, flex, rest, something was wrong, most likely in copying this over. Classes, inline flex, class. Okay, no assigns of random things. I don't really like the fact that you can just pass in classes and override things. It's like an anti-pattern for me. But I'll leave it as is for now, and I'll just try not to use this myself. Size, class, SVG. And that's like inlining again. So we should be using the icon thing. Ellipsis. An icon. There are more. And all of these things should be translated as well. So we'll do that in a minute, but we'll do a thing for now. Okay, so breadcrumb. Let's install breadcrumb. That will do that. So we have the sheet, the breadcrumb, the input. We'll have to do an input. I suppose that has an input, right? And drop down menu. Right, and so let's try this. Drop down menu. And I think I'll need to add a few things, but let's do admin UI. And then this is just drop down menu. Drop down menu. And then I think the item thing is here. Okay. Sign variant class. Side. So this one is literally just do this. Here, data state closed, data state open, good stuff. Using the correct things. No need to render an empty class here. No one's perfect, right? Toggle attribute works, that's nice. And okay, classes, rest, data state closed, toggle, hide, and drop down menu. Now we add the drop down menu. And I mean, if I can get to this menu and mix salad add menu. Import admin UI menu. And it's menu here. Admin UI menu. Okay, yeah. Don't mumble. Mumble. Classes disabled. Why is it doing this? Oh, because he thinks. Okay, so this is very, like you get things. So data disabled and disabled. You can just do this and it's the same. Right? That if that is falsy, this one get added. If that is not falsy, it gets added. Because here it's the same. It's like spreading and data disabled, and you're looking at data disabled. That means, yeah, so you're not looking for the state. So you're just looking for this. So you just do this. Okay. An inset. Inset. What we do here is you provide a data inset at inset. And when you do data inset EL8, and when you don't need this, Yeah, it's the same thing. My thing for some reason doesn't work here. I wonder why. Yeah. Separator, the role, menu shortcut, classes, group, and the slot group. Okay. I wonder what this do. Renders menu. Oh, it's like adding a style. Which just makes sense, right? Like it's what you want to do. Menu group. Yeah. Okay, so now we shouldn't be mainly getting this. So we can comment this one out. And if we now do partial utils, okay, product name, we don't need this. And we don't need, let's have a look at our dashboard. And if we do dashboard, I mean, I'm leaving a lot of things here still. I just want to sell it live. So if I just do dashboard, we don't need even this, just okay socket. Right, we just want to make this work. Admin Liveview. Obviously, I'll be adding this as a use of the Liveview thing for the HTML helpers because I don't want to be importing it like everywhere. I want to be able to use these things. But I'll see. Maybe this is all still in progress. Okay, so like if we do this, we add the dashboard live. We leave this one out. We rename this to just this. And then rename this salad to just dashboard. Yep, close everything off. Let's see if our beam is still okay. We must restart. Okay, let's restart. Mix speed check server. And we're off to the races. Compile time error. Okay, expected map. The map got outline. Let's get it a map got outline icon. Where is this? Oh, because it's the expected map. Yeah, and I just gave him a, so it would be click the map. So it'll be variant. Size. Compose CSS. Okay, an expected icon. Oh, because I'm running plugin beat. That should be fine. Okay, let's have a look. What's the problem? Assets. So I think I'll need to like add some things here. Border, base, foreground dark, foreground apply, border, background text. Okay, so let's redo this. Base, dark. Okay, Tailwind in base, dark. And what don't you want here? 3.7. 3.7 is not working for you for some reason. This wrong? That should just work. 115. 115. Maybe it's the replace with a, maybe it's doing weird things. Okay, 3.115 muted. Something wrong with this. Body, apply border important. For now, we can just leave this off. Where does it explicitly? Dark, right? Layer base, apply border. Just doing it twice? Why is it doing twice? Maybe because I had the thing, right? Background, ground. So if I just delete this, I wonder. Yes, this is 4 days ago. At layer base, we just apply this. Layer base. Remove this. Body is already applying bigger background port. With 8410. Where is this now? Node modules, traverse util. Yes. Okay. Let's just try this. Okay. Format and length, offset length is. Okay. Try this. Restart things. Yeah, and this is, you see, this is not doing it. It's like having white wheat for the thing. Okay, if I just undo everything, right? I have this, and if I copy and just something new, and if I just revert the old app CSS, because I don't think it adds much. Foreground, background, card, foreground, card, background, popover, border, secondary, muted, destructive, foreground, input radius, ring radius, border, primary, foreground, secondary, ring radius. So if I just remove all of that, that should be fine, right? I wonder. Yeah, this is fine. This is all of it. We don't have any changes. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, we added this. It's good. Tailwind config in atoms. Tailwind config extend colors. Maybe something's wrong here. Colors require. Oh, it's leaving this here basically. Whereas this one just was using this. I might prefer this other than having this. Colors background, active foreground, secondary ring. Okay. Just add this instead of this. Border. This one I think was wrong. Animate. Typography and animate. Tailwind says animate. And this is already extends. And we just add the colors. Card. Let's have a look at what we add. Accent. background, border, card is here, destructive, foreground, default, foreground, HSL var foreground. Oh, this is primary. Removing primary. Ring. Let's do this here. Yeah, so it's like the merging is not perfect if you already have a thing, but since we don't, still pretty much good, I think. Background, foreground, let's move these up. I think it's just here as well. I think we need these. Primary foreground, not needed. And then place these. Yep. Okay. And then border accent, V is new, border and input. Border and input was also here. Input. And then we have ring. It's the same. It's always nice when you have crazy shit. And accent. Do we have accent? Yeah, okay, so let's just do accent. Then muted. Do we have muted? Default, muted foreground. Okay. Popover. We have popover. Oh, so we can remove this basically. And we have secondary is the same. Yep, nice. Foreground. Okay. Border radius, still in typography and animate. I just want to use why would I not just do this? Okay. Refactor. That's very good. PG. So now we have this still in CSS animate. That's okay. Doesn't really matter. Where are we? Class variance authority, select live view, seed view next. I mean, sure. We'll leave it for now because almost likely be deleting most of that. Okay. So is now everything okay? Then CSS typography. CD assets. This is bun install. 90 packages installed. Fuck. Yeah. And I wonder, okay, let's just have a look at what else do we have here. Admin UI helpers, this is nice. This is all the components added. These are just a few things. And okay, bun log B. Log change, that shouldn't be here. Delete file. This should be this one. Okay. Okay. I think it's just a little formatting thing. Tab new. This one was fine as well. Okay, let's try again with we can leave this one for that one, and we can use this one for mix phx server. Here we go. And then it's dashboard. This is our page content. Yeah, we don't have a few things working. I wonder what I need to get working. But hey, it's something, right? It's something. I wonder where the tooltips are going. Let's have a look. Okay. Okay, this is background, foreground is the same. Just keep deleting things. Muted, foreground, popover, foreground, card, foreground. Border, input, primary, foreground, secondary, accent, destructive, ring, radius. All good. We can delete this. And then we have same background, muted, popover, card, border. Secondary, primary, accent, destructive, ring. I delete all of this. And when we have, I think, at layer base, supply. Oh, okay, sorry. This one is actually the thing. So background, foreground, card, foreground. It's different, but primary, foreground, secondary, muted. Don't have muted. Secondary, accent, muted. Accent, foreground. Secondary, primary, destructive. Do we have destructive? Destructive, do we have? Border input, ring. Oh, we do have muted. The same thing. Okay. And accent, ring, radius. We have popover, card, background. Okay. This one deleted, so that's gonna be the same. And then a BG background text foreground. Okay, so we can delete this one for sure. And now it's just at the start. This one is at the bottom. I think we can just put it in the same thing. So root is good. Root and dark defines this, and then we have these two. And then let's delete the unnecessary layer. Then we can delete this app new, and let's have a look at why our tooltips don't work. If you go to our tooltip, grass, relative tooltip, inline block, group tooltip, and let's have a look at them. Dashboard. Okay, tooltip content side right. So we have tooltip, class in the block relative to. Oh, we don't have tooltip trigger, right? but it's still, it should be here, but it's a tooltip trigger. Even though it's only for compatibility, right? And then tooltip content, variant class, side variant again. Side variant, science, add side. Do, okay, what do we do? Data side. Okay, class is tooltip content. It doesn't do anything. Absolute, white space, no wrap, hidden, group hover, tooltip, block. That V50, overflow, hidden. V auto, rounded MD border, biggie, pop over. SLR, pop over, PX, PY, text SM, text over, foreground, shadow, MD, animate in, fade in, zoom in, data side bottom, silent from top, two, data side left, right, data side slide in from left, two. Oh, I suppose I don't have the animations, right? But I do. TV enter slide side, slide in from bottom. Let's have a look. Let's say here. And tooltip protop. Did hover. Hover? Don't hover, right? Group tooltip, group hover, group tooltip. Group tooltip hover. Group tooltip. Okay. Tooltip block. And side variant. Oh, we don't have a side variant. Oh. Oh, so it's just from here. Okay. Center left key. Side line. Center. Variant side top left. Right full MR2. So it is a side variant. Let's see over here. Okay, so it's here and here. It's working. So now it's just not doing it. Group tooltip data. And it's the first one. Data PHX. We have this and data PHX right. And right. This is on page content, but this is not visible. Why is it not? Okay, so we hover. Okay, that's that. Oh, I might need tails, right? Use component. Tails. Elixir. Tails. Yeah, up to your tails. Tails merging. Merging. Okay. How do I install it? Elixir tails. Okay. This was disqualified. Oh, it's because it was using details about your colors, create management, the reference size. When tails would define function for each color. Is that the only thing? So tails. Also, I do have it. Okay, that's at least something. Okay, but so I need to do the colors thing actually for that. So that's a thing. So we need to do new thing Tailwind colors JSON. And when we do the config, then we just take all the colors. And we take that. And we paste it in here. And we do, okay. Let's do, this is a JSON, do this. Yeah. And then require tails colors. Yes. Colors extend required. Yes. So that should be good. Hopefully. Okay. Let's rebuild. Okay, still nothing happening on here. Data side left. Group hover tooltip. This is correct, right? Group tooltip. Group hover. Group hover tooltip block. And it's just not going through. Şurası. For some reason, it's not taking in group hover. Hidden display. Hidden display none. But this one should work. Is it this? No. Group tilted, maybe this. No, this. That's for sure. And it's definitely this. Is it because it's merging? The thing. incorrectly? I mean, it does have the class, so that shouldn't be the case. Oh, God. Okay, turn this off. Overflow hidden. Data side bottom. You can do this. Okay, then at least we have something. It's showing. That's nice. Okay, so that's how it should be. Side left, side variant, side bottom, left, right, top. And this one is tooltip content, tooltip trigger, relative group, tooltip, inline block. What if you do block? Nothing changes. Like this. I wonder, it's just Liveview not doing this thing? Oh, okay. It's because I'm not taking in such a thing. Such a stupid thing. Yes, it's not having pages TSX. It's like not taking in anything from anywhere. Let's have a look quickly at, sorry, 2 seconds. I'll just have a look at that code. And it's SaladUI base, and I'll have a look quickly at them. Config here. Tailwind config. Yeah, it's like stuff like this. Yeah. Okay, so at least we know now. So it's Alex Starbook Web, anything with an EX, and anything with a. So now should be a thing. You might need to restart the server. Images avatar, that's fine. But obviously not this. Here a little path to desktop, sorry. Octafest web and Octafest web. This, here we go. Okay, nice. That was a silly mistake. Okay. This is a page conf. That's like, what's nice? That's nice. You got the first thing working, and it's like, oh, very good, very good. We have this working. So now I'll make this a layout, and I'll transform some things, and I'll add some things, and then transform some things, and we have it here. Okay, something's working. That's very good. Okay, so these are good enough for now. Let's say adding the basic layout. And now let's do the layout. Admin, components, admin app. I wonder how I'll need to import it here, right? So if I do pages admin, this is where it's a bit annoying. Do not have this in the layout. It's HTML. I'll need to basically make this like group components and then import them. Let's have, anyways, let's do this now. I don't want this to be so blatant, but this is nice. Very good. So layouts, I do dashboard, and I do flex Ming, H screen, V full, flex call, BG muted. Okay, I'll still need to apply things, stuff to. And if I do this, and we do this, and now I basically need to do one thing, which is have a look at the other one. If I alias admin UI something as AI button AU, okay, it's definitely, this is wrong. But I'll quickly have a look at one of my other ones. So it's code Octafest newest, and we have a look at our layouts. Yes. Render, and then it's not using that. Render admin HTML, admin components HTML. This variant bar AC. What's AC? Yeah. AC. Yeah, because I put everything in admin components like this. Slash group, simple form, variant button, where I was basically doing stuff. Back icon, verify icon. Field input, field password, switch, and menu items, sidebar. Hard. Menu. We have some cool things here, but okay. Anyway, so I'll do the layout, and it's admin, embed templates, so I don't do that. Let's say something like render. So if I don't do this, but I do something like render, do end, and that's right. Yep. Sorry, I don't see the chat, if anything. Okay, and now I can basically go with this whole thing. And I'll be taking shit out. But here I'll be importing admin app. And okay, so I'll do embed templates still. But this is gonna be the admin layout. So here we don't do this, but we do. How can I prefix? So, okay. This is where it's a little bit annoying, but let's just say import for now. And let's not import. Not import. Let's alias. Alias as AC admin components and breadcrumb. And then it's so annoying. Is there a way to group these all into a single thing? So just alias better that way. I think it's just going to be alias admin UI as a UI. Right, I can do this, I think. Yeah, AUI, and then it's like everything in here. Dot. Except for links. Okay, so let's just get Never. I think I have this already. Flex convert some flex. Okay, so this one is this. That's fine. So it's AUI, icon, right? So now all the icons can just be this. AUI icon. Okay, now we can do the tooltip. All of the tooltips is AUI, tooltip. This is what it is. Can't do much about it. Suppose AUI icon, and it's sheet. Oh, sheet. It's AUI sheet, and then it's button. AUI button, and it's breadcrumb. So breadcrumbs will need to be passed in from somewhere else. So we'll be doing this a little bit different, but we could do this for now. Just AUI breadcrumb. Okay, and then it's drop down menu. AUI drop down menu, and then it's menu. This is where it's really nice prefixing AUI menu by time we might as well. Okay, this is our page content. This one is here. And we have a look at need to have this pages. Ticket text is fine. Variant a thing. Autocomplete is not a thing. Themes is not a thing. Disable it for now. Volunteer forms is not a thing. Sponsors, I think it's just partners. Partners. And I think current path is also not a thing, but it's fine. So now we have this thing where it's basically this, right? SaladUI tooltip is one of the nav items. So if you create an L component, L comp, and it's site bar item, and it's this assigns tooltip. Oh, no, that should be fine. Oh, it's because this one should be a staircase. Sidebar. Okay, admin pages. So sidebar item. This will need attributes. I suppose I have it somewhere here. Navbar. Sub item. Yeah, just this two title and variant, and then that's it. Okay, 2 seconds finishing up. Maybe link. To data variant. I wonder, how was I doing this? I'll have to have a look at, and its icon, Yes, and its title. And its title. And sidebar item. So here it's item, and it's for item in pages current path. I might not have current path at the moment. We'll have a look, and that's just spreads the item, and do this. Let's have a look. Function icon. Does it have a thing? Render. No function was render to, and admin app. And then current path not found. That's fine. We'll just do a string for now. Wait, undo this, make this like that, and then just do a string. because it's from another one that I was doing. Some changes and errors were found in arguments. Argument not in an existing item. Circle play. Utify. Binary to existing item. Suppose it's here. It's here. Icon, let's see, panel stuff. Trophy. So what do I need to do? All the two arguments, UTF-8. And at what point was it? It's here, right? You see render icon, and it's here. Icon. I wasn't passing the correct, so that's annoying. I'll quickly do a thing, which what I was doing here, I think. If I do the layout root and just do iconify in the root. Let's do this. Yeah, this, and then I think I was just doing it in a nav item. Sorry. Layouts here. Sorry, you're not seeing this, but I'm just quickly doing something. It's on nav item. Tooltip link AC icon. Icon. Hopefully this will work. We shall see. Okay, so this is where having icons is fine. Icon. So let's just do iconify icon add class, and then I don't need to do this thing, and I can basically undo this. And then yeah. Orders dashboard. Somehow, oh yeah, because dashboard is doing it twice. But that should be more things, right? Oh, maybe it's doing the different side. Anyways, okay. So root layouts here we have this. So it was so maybe we have the wrong sidebar item. I thought, oh, maybe this is more the one the thing. So it's like all of these can go away. It's orders, tooltip, products, customers, link, analytics. So it's not showing a lot of things. Nav, investment side all nav. And if we do another one, that's another setting. Yeah, that's okay. For now, we can do this. Sheet, and that's inside the sheet. Page, and that's link, dashboard, and then we can do basically products, customer, link, settings, link. So that would be the full things. And I'm just thinking. Let's hit search. That's fine. We can go to dashboard now and remove all of that. And dashboard. And we can just remove all of this and just say hello. Hello from dashboard. Okay, that's one thing. Okay, and then this one. Okay, nice. But I'll need to figure out a different way of doing this, because this requires basically a sizing thing. That's not the way I want to do this. Yeah, remove all of this. And mount should be here, and implement true should be the view. Okay. So now we're getting back to pretty much the same state as we were before starting this chat, and I'll be finishing up in a minute now. Any minute now. Yeah. Links. Links. So that's not even working at the moment. We'll have a look. Oh, it's hidden at the MD. We remove. Yeah. And if we do smaller, sorry. And if we do smaller, yeah, it's just all good. I'll just need to basically make these icons work a bit differently than the Lucid icons, because Lucid icons, well, the Iconify one does it in a weird way where I have to, where I can't use the same thing. Basically, I can't use href and stuff like that. It needs to be like text thing, and that's a bit annoying. But we got somewhere now, and it's much cleaner. Okay. And I'll need to add the current path thing, translate all of these things, and breadcrumbs will have to come from top. And search, I think, should be coming somehow. Search, maybe that will be like a global search. Menu is also here. Icon, menu variant, LGP images, avatar. So this one just should be, is this like this? 36, 36, 36. And this is not images avatar. Let's do a placeholder. Placeholder, image, splash, or something that's like unsplash, yeah. Just text typing, writing, artist, avatar, this guy. Here. Download free. Here. Copy link. Just add a link. Yeah. Oh, doesn't it not have? Okay, maybe. Well, doesn't matter. This will have to be the signed in user, and I'll have a look at cleaning this up a little bit more. Yeah, but at the moment, yeah, so we can go through at least. And you see we're actually getting these. I think, I'm not sure if this is the view ones. It might be the view ones. The side fixed. Yeah, it's gonna be there. Yeah, because this is the ID. But if we did a thing in the pages, I think if we did a JS source pages admin, and then like all of these admin layout, we just remove this side and just leave plot, right? I mean, I'll just have this admin layout bold, and then let's change this to only have the slot, which one we don't care about much anything else. Slot. There you go. Yeah. So now that's basically, yeah. That's definitely our thing. Yeah. Settings. Not a thing. Yeah. Add sponsor, add tags, settings. Yeah, we have like 2 settings at the moment. Distributed test, that, open footer pages, yeah. Yeah, slowly but surely. So we have, this one is the thing, and when it's content, it's this. But I'll want to create it basically into a Ivy thing. So yeah, these components this needs to change to basically be a thing. It would be nice if I could do the iconify the component to basically download the. Anyways, okay. Thank you. That's it for today. Let's commit this. Adding admin layout from SaladUI. SaladUI. There we go. And that's it from me for today. Yeah, I'll have a look at getting those icons to work more like in a cleaner way. All of these things, like it's like a Elixir has amazing things, but it still is missing. Like, okay, I want to just get up running, because I could do this with like Laravel in like no time. But here, you need to figure out, okay, where do I put this? How do I put this? Nicer ways of doing this. Yeah, it's like it's still missing a lot of the like what we from our front end. We have like all these UX things, or dev UX things for basically just having things up and running, or like Laravel world where you can easily set up and start going. Obviously, it's something that we as a community need to do, and I'd love to do this. I just don't have the time because I have a full-time job and 2 daughters and a wife. So yeah, that takes up time. So here I'm just trying to make my life easier with making this tool for myself, which will help me with my side hustle stuff. Okay, and thank you for watching, and have a nice day, night, evening, morning, whatever is the time you're watching at. So take care.